Hey, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is business development and your pitch. Now, when I say your pitch, this could be pitch into a brief or it could be just a meeting. This is what I want you to think about today. Always go in with your best case scenario. Always offer them the exact best case that's going to help their business. So often I find people that go in with a solution that just sort of is just not quite what they think they should have. But for some reason the salesperson's got fear. So the rep may have said, okay, the pitch is 50 grand, I'll go in with a 48 grand solution. And I'll say, well, what's the best case solution? What does this client really need from you? And they'll go, well, really, they need this, 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 and this. But that's 150, they'll never buy that because their budget is 50. How do you know? If this is the best case scenario for that particular client, then I would always say offer them the best case scenario, because 3 times out of 10, they're going to take the best case scenario. They'll find the money from somewhere else. So if you're responding to a pitch and you're going to give 2 options, don't give one more glorified than the other, but ensure that you do give one that's the best case scenario for that client, because if you know in your heart that really is the best case, then you need to put that one forward. That's your top tip today. If you found this interesting and you think a colleague will, then do share. And if you'd like more tips on business growth and pitching in general, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.